Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna install now, and I'm with my kids, so if you hear some background noises because it's my kid with me making the video. We're gonna install the new App2CAr in an Audi Q4 Quattro 2020, so we can watch movies and videos like, for example, Amazon Prime. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the device in the USB port like this. Sorry, the other side. Here we go. And we're gonna wait for a few seconds until the device is being recognized by the system. It should ask you if you want to use the Apple CarPlay, and it should be ready to go. We're gonna wait a few seconds more. There we go. The device has been recognized. Say hello, and then the device, of course, is gonna tell you if you want to you're gonna drive, don't watch videos while you drive. And this car is interesting. It's not a touch screen, so it only works with the knob and the touchpad here. So we're gonna use the knob first time, and everything is with the knob, okay, or the touch screen. So we're gonna the first thing you need to do is go to settings, of course, and in wireless LAN pair your iPhone or your device with the internet. We've done that, and we go back to main menu, and then we go and check for the install apps. So we're gonna go to more apps, and we're gonna run Amazon Prime. And there we go. We're gonna watch Amazon Prime on the screen of the car. Here we go. Amazon Prime is here. So I'm using my account, of course. And then with the knob, you just change the movies. Wow. My son says wow. For example, if you want to watch Stand, just click here and play it. Wow. Ready to play. Here we go.
Betrayal and tears.
And the beauty is that you can see the movie and listen it on the screens of your on the speakers of your car.
Soon he'll come to destroy all
Amazing.
who stand against him. His kingdoms in
You want
the
to
west.
pause it? You want to go back? You can use also the touch area here. It does exactly the same.
And it is there.
And if you want to go to the main menu, just simply click here. Okay. If you, for example, if you want to watch YouTube, the same thing. Just go to YouTube. And ready to go. Here we go. YouTube is loading. Yeah, it's there. So you want to watch a video on YouTube, just simply click here and start watching the video. Oh, wait a second. Oh. I'm gonna pause this. Thank you. And go to the main menu. And there we go. We can now watch movies, and we can watch YouTube, and install any app from our Google Store in our Audi Q4 Quattro 2020, and of course with any other car that has Apple CarPlay. Thank you very much. If you want to know more about this product, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.